Have you ever shared a story and someone's jumped in with their own story? It feels terrible, doesn't it? This unknowingly is the number one way that we block connection, and most of us do it all the time. Someone would tell me something, and before I knew it, I was in with, that happened to me too, and I took the story away from them. I thought I was bonding, but instead I was blocking connection. When you identify, when you make their story about you, they feel dismissed, unheard, even invisible. It doesn't matter if your intentions are good. The moment that you steal someone's story away from them, that moment becomes about you, not about them. And I learned this the hard way in my marriages, with my kids, even at work. My need to relate made others feel unheard. So the fix is simple. What you got to do is pause. Let that moment breathe. Instead of jumping in, try saying something like, that sounds tough. Do you want to tell me more? See, connection happens when you make space, not when you take it. Every time you pause, you give the other person oxygen. And in that oxygen, trust grows. When you stop to pause and listen to their story, they feel heard, seen, valued. When you jump in and identify, you take that story away from them, and that connection is broken. So here's what it looks like. Your friend says, my boss just was so mean to me and unfair today. Old me would have said, yeah, I know, mine too. New me, I pause and I say, that sounds frustrating. Want to tell me more? What happens is then you create that connection. The connection's open. So here's your challenge today. Catch yourself when you feel the urge to jump in with your own story when someone's telling you a story. Instead, pause. Give them space to finish their story. And I'm telling you, it will change how people feel about you immediately. See, connection isn't about saying more, it's about listening more. Next week, I'll show you another sneaky way that we block connection without even realizing it. You don't want to miss it.